Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use Google Draw. First thing I'm going to do is show you how to highlight. You're going to I'm going to select the company and go to this little highlight color, highlight it yellow. Next, I'm going to show you how to draw. You can use shapes or this little scribble thing. So here I'm just going to draw a box or circle-ish. I don't really have a pen. And then that's the job title, the general manager. And then I'm going to show you how to use shapes. And I'm going to circle the salary, which is 57.6K. And what it does, it usually fills it in. But you can go to this little paint bucket thing, click transparent, and there you go. Or you could use shapes and then draw a box and do the same thing. And then you can also change the color by clicking this pen. I'm going to pick red. And there you go. And if you ever want to delete something, you can I'm going to move it over and then click backspace to clean everything up.